Is it most powerful, effective to do breath holds on the exhale versus the inhale? Dean, thank you for that question. It depends on your mindset and your experience and your personality. Most people prefer to take air in. That is my experience teaching thousands of people the last 15 years. So I would say 80%, without having a number, like to have air in their lungs when they hold their breath. They feel more comfortable. They feel they're not close to panicking, like Deborah was describing. However, some people like to exhale. They explain to me they feel more free, more light. But of course, when you exhale, you have less air in your lungs, meaning less oxygen. And you also have less air to buffer the CO2. So it's more difficult. But in other words, it makes it harder. But that's also good if you have shorter time to train. So actually, I do this with more hardcore people, world champion level athletes, Navy SEALs, and so we do these more extreme ways of breath holding. But I would say breath holding with full lungs, meaning 80%. Don't fill up all the way because you're going to be stressed and panicking already before starting the breath hold. So 80% full lung, and hold your breath for a minute or 1.5. And take notes. It's very fun to follow your own journey, right? In Breatheology Academy, we have the note sheets and the explanation of how to do all this. Thank you, Dean. But exhale, hold your breath on empty lungs. Not a full exhale, just a passive exhale, meaning saying that ah sound. Then you close your throat and you hold your breath, right?